Hey y'all, let's make an easy breakfast casserole using 4 ingredients: eggs, cheese, biscuits, and sausage. Let's get into it. Okay, so I am going to use 10 chicken sausage breakfast links and I'm going to cook those. Now while the sausage is cooking, I'm going to crack 10 eggs and scramble them. Use a little bit of nature seasoning. Parsley. And just mix these expensive eggs up. Set this to the side. Now I'm going to use a can of jumbo biscuits. It's 8 biscuits in this can, and we're just going to cut these up. I'm going to cut the biscuits into 4s. And then separate them. And set it aside. Okay, now that the sausages are brown, they don't have to be fully cooked because they're gonna go in the oven and cook some more. So I'm just gonna cut these up into pieces. Just like that. Okay, now I have a 9 by 13 dish and I'm just gonna butter the dish just so nothing will stick. Okay, now it's time to assemble. I want to take the sausage and evenly place the sausages at the bottom of the dish. Just spread them out like that. Next, you want to take your biscuits and place them all over the sausage. All right, just like that. Now I'm gonna add about a cup of Mexican cheese or any kind of shredded cheese of your choice. About a cup to the egg mixture. Gonna pour that directly over the biscuits. Just like that. I have the oven preheated to 350, and we're going to place this in the oven for about 25 minutes. But you have to test it. You want to make sure that the biscuits are completely done. So it may take a little longer depending on your oven, but I'm going to start with 25 minutes. Okay, out of the oven, 25 minutes was perfect timing. Now I'm just going to coat it with some butter. Just spread butter across the top. And this is optional, but I'm going to drizzle it with some honey. And there you have it, a beautiful breakfast casserole. You see the sausage. Okay, so let's go in for this taste test. Take a bite. You get the biscuit, the eggs, the sausage, all in one bite. So good. I'm telling you, your family will love this. You can't get any easier than this recipe. Give it a try. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Share it out. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Until next time, bye.